Welcome to the introductory session of Azure Series. In this video, we'll be explaining the main resources of this architecture, which is considered as a foundation for many real-world scenarios. Generally, we'll be receiving subscription from the client. On top of that, we have to create the required infra for hosting our applications. Firstly, virtual network. This virtual network is a private network on Azure for our resources. It helps us establishing the communication between Azure resources with internet, also helps in routing and filtering network traffic. Next comes the application gateway. All the traffic first hits the application gateway, and application gateway routes the traffic based on the host URL. Next comes the Key Vault. Key Vault is basically used for secrets, keys, and certificates management. In our case, we are using Key Vault for secrets and certificates management. Next comes the app service. Basically, for hosting the applications without worrying about the management of underlying infrastructure, we'll be using the app service. In our case, this is the front-end app service, which is a React application. This is the backend API, which is based on .NET. And for creating both the app services, we are going with app service plan, which is Linux ASP. And next comes the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL Flexible Server is a Azure managed database server. This service will be using for storing the application data. Next, for monitoring and logging purposes, we'll be using the Log Analytical Workspace and Application Insights. This is the brief description about the main resources of the architecture. And by the end of this Azure series, I'm pretty sure that you'll be confident in setting up end-to-end infra for hosting your applications on Azure. Thank you.